Welcome back to another Designer's Den. We're still in the month of December where we're still talking about gift giving. So for me, when I was thinking about what I would love to gift someone for this holiday season, I have a sister-in-law who unfortunately was diagnosed with cancer a few years back. So she's been going through chemo, and we have this chaise lounge that I really feel like this would be the perfect place for her to recover after her every other week she has chemo, so she can come here and lounge and just recover and recuperate. The best thing about this is that it's got cup holders and USB chargers on each side. It's big enough if she wants to cozy up with the dog or her kids. And then it's big enough too if she wants to move these pillows around and take a nap. She's a big reader, so she loves to read. This is a perfect place to read a book, lounge around, relax, and really recuperate after her chemo treatments. Also, I'm sitting here myself, I kind of feel like a princess. So this would be a great gift for her, and I would really love to be able to gift this. It's big, so we need to make sure that she has room in her space, and she has a great big rec room downstairs, so I think it'll be perfect there. So I do have some other ideas though for myself. I also like to read, and I also like a cozy chair. So let's go take a look at that one. So these are great chairs. They are a little smaller, obviously, than that big chaise, and they're perfect. I could see this going in multiple places, but I would really love this chair for myself in my bedroom would be great. It's a great price, and I could see it also going in a teenage girl's room, a toddler room. They're nice and soft and plush and cozy. I have one final cozy, comfy chair to show you if either one of these are not an option for you. Let's go take a look. This final chair, as you can see, we're all about texture still. But we just got this in. It's a nice option. It swivels, it's smaller in scale, and I love this deep, deep navy color. This would be a great option in your living room even. As always, we have so many great options for your gift giving ideas. Also, if you're not sure what to give this season, we have gift cards, and I recommend getting a gift card if you're just not quite sure what your loved one would love from American Furniture Warehouse. I'm telling you, just come into the store, maybe even bring them in and let them choose what they would like. It'd be a great, fun experience. So you can find everything you've seen here and more in store or at afw.com. Happy holidays and good luck to your gift giving.